As the other software of Microsoft has user-friendly interfaces, the same thing goes to Power BI. You can see at the top the name of our product, Power BI, and the drop down over here, that customize item, and its options are available. Customize, quick access, toolbar, and their options over here. And after that, 4 different tabs. Number 1, home, view, modeling, and help. And 2 more tools will be available when we select any visualization from the right pane. Then we will have the backstage view, from which we can open a new document, like over here. And we can open reports we have that we have previously built, and we can do save and save as our work. We can import and export our reports, and further tools are available, and that we will explore in upcoming videos. Then we have 3 different views, or you can say tools, on the left side over here. Number 1, report. Number 2, data. And number 3, relationship. Report, we will discuss this canvas over here. When you will select any visualization and you're gonna start plotting your data, that all the activity you will do over here, that's called the plot area. And this is the right side, this is the visualization pane. Then we have a stack bar chart, and we will definitely consider this visualization in the upcoming in videos. And now I will talk about data over here. The database which you are working with, all the data will be visible over here. And on the right side, you have the name of the database, the names of the tables, and their fields as well. And important thing is that the data that is visible over here, it is a preview of what you have in the databases, and actually it is present in the data source. You're just importing the data and doing its manipulation. Now I talk about some about relationship tab. If your data is coming from different sources and you want to establish the relationship, or the data is already in a relationship, so all the representation of the relations you can see over here like this. And in the next videos, and we're gonna import the data, so you can see all the tools will be available, and we can start working on the tools efficiently. On the right side, there are 2 different panels. Number 1 is field area, that I've already told you about it, that when you import the data, all the table names and fields will be available. And if you have imported so many databases, so you have the ability over here to search it. And if you want to visualize the data, then you have to take help with these visualization tools. And you can drop these visualization and could draw charts and some pie charts, some meters, gauge, and these visualization you can use anything over here. And those fields that you're gonna use will be visible over here in the field area, this one. Now we talk about the format area, and if you want to format the visualization of the tools that you use for visualization, so you can do it over here in the format area. For instance, we haven't used any visualization or chart, so properties that are visible over here is in the terms of this canvas. And in the last, there is a page tab, like in Excel, that we used to have the new tabs, new pages. So I press this plus button, so you can see over here we have multiple pages. If you want to show different types of the reports, so you can explicitly show them over here in the separate pages. And if you want to change the name of the pages, want to have a copy of it, or you can delete the page, so you can do it over here as well. You can duplicate the page, rename the page, and hide the page as well, and then delete page as well. So guys, in this session we tried to get the knowledge of the interface and the tools of Power BI.